This is the healthiest vegetable in the world, and we have completely forgotten about it. There is no doubt that watercress is one of the most beneficial vegetables for the health of the planet. It is abundant in iron. In fact, it has more iron than spinach and more vitamin C than oranges and lemons. That's pretty amazing, right? Although it offers a lot of nutrients that improve your health on many levels, this healthy vegetable is somehow forgotten in the last few decades. It first appeared in Eurasia, but today it is grown in different parts of the world. According to new research, this superfood is actually the healthiest vegetables in the world. And there are numerous reasons to support this. Firstly, watercress combats oxidative stress in the body while providing potent antioxidant effects. Due to nutrients that increase the health it contains, this vegetable also cleans the blood, regenerates the cells in the body, promotes healthy appetite, and eliminates toxins from the body. Many nutritionists recommend consuming this very healthy vegetable in the form of fresh juice, but never undiluted. As the vegetable is very strong, consumption of pure watercress juice can lead to an inflammatory process in the throat and in the stomach, so the watercress juice should always be diluted with water in a ratio of 1:5 watercress juice and water, respectively. It is also important to know that juice should not be consumed every day, but every other day in its place. Watercress juice not only works wonders on the inside, but on the outside as well. In fact, the topical application of this juice can treat numerous skin problems, including skin blemishes and aging spots, hair loss, among others. The treatment is very simple, just rub the juice over the affected area or make a compress of watercress. A compress of crushed watercress leaves is very beneficial to reduce the appearance of sunspots. A number of studies in laboratory animals have found that watercress extract injected into the body inhibits the development of cancer and metastases. Other studies have found that watercress reduces the risk of cardiovascular disease and prevents the development of breast cancer. Last but not least, watercress is highly recommended for heavy smokers due to their ability to neutralize the negative effects of tobacco. How to make a compress of watercress? Start by cutting the watercress leaves very well. Then clean the affected area before applying the compress. You can use some alcohol for this. Apply the chopped leaves and then cover with a clean gauze and secure with a bandage. Leave the compress on for a couple of hours or more. After removing the compress, wash the skin with cold water. Use this method to treat different skin problems. Watercress salad. Wash the leaves thoroughly. Then sprinkle the leaves with a little salt and vinegar and leave to act for an hour. Add a little chopped garlic, olive oil, lemon juice, and pepper. Make sure you let the salad stand for 3 hours before you eat it. This salad is the perfect complement to any meal.